The car has a 391 Traction-Lok rear end. It is a factory 4-speed car. Just all around, just an absolute beautiful car. And I don't blame you. Underneath the hood, you'll see how well presented this car is. It has the factory finned valve covers, and like I mentioned before, it has a ram air, functional ram air package on it. It is a power brake car. Start this car up. The horn works. The wipers work. It is a radio delete car. The blower motor works. All the lights and gauges work in the car. You can check out the door jams, just how nice the door jams are. The interior is super nice. Your sill plates are beautiful. All the trim is nice in this car. Back seat features all the seat belts, the door panels, headliner, sail panels, package tray, all very, very nice on this car. Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around, startup and drive video on a 1969 Ford Cobra. Now, this car isn't just a Torino, it is a Cobra Torino. This car has a 428, not just a Cobra Jet engine, but it has a 428 Super Cobra Jet engine with a factory drag pack. And all of that is documented from the Marty report that will come with this car. This car has been completely restored front to back. Absolutely beautiful inside and out. The chrome, stainless, and bright work on the car is polished. It's all been straightened and polished to perfection. It is a factory hood pin car. It is a factory ram air car. It's sitting on a set of 14-inch steel wheels with the poverty hubcaps, a brand new set of wide oval Firestone tires, which is all correct. And this car is a born red car. It was factory built as a red car. It has a brand new vinyl top on it. The chrome door handles, the bumpers, the trim, the emblems are all in excellent shape on this car. It's very, very rare car, one of 705 produced with that 428 Super Cobra Jet engine in it. The car has a 391 Traction-Lok rear end. It is a factory 4-speed car. Just all around, just an absolute beautiful car. We'll open up the hood here, and I'm going to start it up. I'm sure you're dying to see underneath the hood. You want to hear it run, and I don't blame you. Underneath the hood, you'll see how well presented this car is. It has the factory finned valve covers, and like I mentioned before, it has a ram air, functional ram air package on it. It is a power brake car. Start this car up. The horn works. The wipers work. It is a radio delete car. The blower motor works. All the lights and gauges work in the car. You can check out the door jams, just how nice the door jams are. The interior is super nice. Your sill plates are beautiful. All the trim is nice in this car. Back seat features all the seat belts, the door panels, headliner, sail panels, package tray, all very, very nice on this car. The signals work, the gauges work, like I said. All the trim around the lights are all very nice. Tail lights are crystal clear. Has the Ford emblem on the back of it. This Just an absolute beautiful, well-preserved car. The vinyl top, like I said, is in very good shape. It does have a couple small little wrinkles in the new vinyl top. I'm not sure you can get it out in the sun. Those may disappear. All the glass in the car is all crystal clear. The rear window, the windshield, the side glass, and just like the other side, the door jambs, sill plates, interior seats, all very, very nice. Does come with the factory, not a factory, it comes with a car cover as well. Car sounds great, has a nice rumble to it. This is the only trim I see on the car. It has a couple little pits in this trim right here. The doors, the fenders, the hood, all the panel alignment, panel fitment is very, very nice on this car. Couple small little a little bit of pitting around the headlight bezels. Outside of that, it's super, super nice, very well restored car with a ton of paperwork as well. Lots of documentation. The car came from a very, very good collector. Just an all-around gorgeous automobile. I don't see any bubbles or any blistering down on the bottom sides of the car. The doors, fenders, bottom of the quarter panels, all very, very nice. Inside the trunk, you'll find a wide oval Firestone matching spare tire. The jack instructions are on the trunk lid. And just check out the jams on the car, just very, very nice. All the weather stripping has been replaced. Not just the trunk seal, but the door seals as well. I think it's about time to take it for a ride. You can view a bunch of pictures on our website, www.kinionauto.com. Check out all the pictures. We will have undercarriage pictures of this car as well. Check out our website too. We have a lot of collector cars in stock. Over 100 classic cars in stock. We buy, sell, and trade every day. Such a pleasure when we get cars like this in. The wipers work, the headlights work, the horn works, the gauges work. Really makes our job a lot easier here at Kinion Classics when we get cars like this in. Beautifully, 60 mile an hour right down the highway. Drives great. It's got a couple Stewart Warner gauges down below here. Temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge. You can see the oil pressure is great on this car. Temperature gauge will start to climb here in just a little bit. But man, oh man, does this car have a lot of power. Runs just fantastic. If you're looking for a Cobra, a Ford Cobra Torino, look no further. Here it is, right in front of you. 1969 Torino 428 Super Cobra Jet 4-speed car. Got the Hurst shifter in it. Say all the seat belts are here, front and back. We'll get out here and do a little walk around of the outside of the car with you here outside. I like showing you the cars inside, but I want to show you what they look like outside as well. So we'll get out and do a little walk around video. Fuel gauge works. We got a 3/4 of a tank of gas in this car. runs good, it drives good. Just an awesome muscle car. You see a lot of GM and Mopar muscle cars come through the shop, but you don't see a lot of Ford muscle cars come through the shop, so it's nice to see this. Very proud to show you this one. Good. She'll burn rubber first, second, and third gear. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. Those of you who have, thank you very much. We really appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll talk to you soon.